Hey, let me show you how you can use Navbar in the Samsung A27 5G. So the Navbar is actually located in the two places in this phone. It is available right here on the left side on the status bar, but also very known for its appearance here. So you have to also remember about the another thing that Navbar doesn't actually support every application. When you open the lock screen settings and right now open Navbar, you can see list of all currently available applications. Probably in the future, Samsung gonna expand this for some additional one, but currently only this. So let's open, for example, the clock application. Let's start the stopwatch. And what else we can do, like media player, Samsung Health, maybe use let's use device recorder. So I'm just gonna show you how you can switch between those applications. This is like very important thing. There we go. Click here. Let's start recording. Okay. And now, first of all, when you click here, you can quickly just expand this specific one. So you can stop, pause, cancel. And when you are gonna just simply open it, you can also see all of those live notifications from the Navbar. But if you are gonna simply tap like this, you can see the Navbar over here and you can switch apps. If you're gonna tap on it once, you will expand like on this status bar. There we go. But if you are gonna click and hold it, you can adjust in the Navbar settings, you can dismiss. And of course, if you tap on it once and then a second time, you will open this specific application. What you can also do, well, you can just remove some apps from the Navbar. For example, if you don't really like this stopwatch to be here, you can just click over here and turn it off. And now it will just simply disappear. So that's how it looks actually. It's actually quite simple, and if you want to change the preview, if you are using multiple apps in the Navbar, you want to change the preview and get it on the status bar, you will have to just expand. If I want to get the clock, I'm clicking here, I'm minimizing, and now the clock will be here as a first application.